Hi guys, today we are going to review this Marshall portable speaker. So let's just open this box without wasting any time. Okay, so this is the speaker and we have this charging cable which is USB-C type, and we have these two manuals. Well, this is the Marshall Emberton portable speaker with a very loud and rich sound. You can simply experience the absolute 360 surround sound, and you can enjoy the superior sound of Marshall for hours. This compact speaker offers 20 hours of playback time on a single charge, and yes, it can be quickly charged with this cable. It is very simple and easy to use this speaker. You can control it with multi-directional control knobs. You can play, pause, skip tracks, and adjust the volume of your speaker as well as turn it off and on obviously. Weight of the speaker is around 0.7 kg and it can be fit in your hand easily, and you can simply take it anywhere you want. This compact speaker has two drivers of 2 inches 10 watts full range radiators. It gives a stereo sound, and there are like 4 colors in this. One is black and brass, forest green and cream color, and this one is obviously forest green. Okay, so the connectivity is very simple. You can simply connect it with your Bluetooth and play it wirelessly. So let's just turn on the speaker. This is the power key. This is the battery indicator, and this is the button for pairing Bluetooth. Let's just put it on pairing and connect it with our phone. And here we get Emberton. It's connected. Let's just play the music. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you like it and hope to see you soon. Thank you.